Alright guys, well, I know I haven't done a unboxing video in quite some time, but that's because I haven't really gotten any new models, but I did. It is this FXXK, based off of a real car, actually. So yeah, the real one is the triple layer yellow with blue carbon roof and mirrors and everything else. I just took a trip to Europe and I actually bought this car in Venice, Italy. So the box is a little a little banged up. Yeah, you can see like right here, because I had to carry it through my suitcase and on planes and trains and stuff like that. So, but the car is in good shape. That's what matters. So yeah, this is my latest edition, FXXK. And I don't have too many yellow cars, so I had a choice between this one and the matte black and red one, but this is based off a real US spec, or not US spec, but US customer owned car, and I don't have too many yellow cars, so I went with this one. So yeah, let's get it unboxed, and then I'll show you the car, close up. So yeah, and this car in Italy cost me about 110 euros. So, that's 120 something, $125 probably, which might be a little overpriced, but how many people can say they bought theirs in Venice, Italy? So I said, screw it. Move the box out of the way. Alright. Now let's get the screws out. There's only 2 screws on this one, so yeah. Okay, there's the first one, and there's the second. I always keep my screws just in case I decide to sell this in the future. Get rid of that. Okay, now we gotta get rid of these tape things. These are like double taped on here. This is interesting. There we go. There's one. And the second one is being a pain. I apologize. Alright, come on, man. This is stupid. Now I got it. Get off. Alright, geez, there we go. So, here's the car. So, like I said, FXXK. It's got a blue, the stripes in the hood, the roof, the mirrors, the winglets are also dark blue. Obviously, FXXK wheels. Diffuser. This is not an Evo, so it doesn't have the big wing right here. But, man, this is a cool looking car. So, yeah. Oh, I just noticed this has the Italian flag right there as well. That's kind of cool. So yeah, obviously it has opening doors. There's one. There's two. I mean, they don't go up very high, but you know, you don't really want to make them go up that high because you don't want to break them. But yeah, the doors go up, and then the hi Bruno, hi buddy. Okay, all right. The engine cover also comes up, and the hood comes up. So there you go. There's the engine cover. It doesn't stay up by itself. You kind of got to hold it up, which is a pain. But there's the engine. Pretty good. Like I said, this is a Burago, so this is not like a super duper high-end model, but I'm actually pretty happy with it. The dimensions are really good. It's nice and heavy. It's made out of metal. Yeah, it's the engine is pretty detailed. I mean, they even have the stripe in there. I mean, they've added a lot of details, and it's pretty accurate to the real car. So yeah, this is it. Pretty cool. I'm happy with it. So now I have a LaFerrari and an FXXK, which I would say is pretty good. So, alright, now that I've shown you, I'm gonna go find a spot in the cabinet to put it, and then I will show you that. So, yeah, decided I'll show you a little bit more of the model without me in the background before I put it away. So, just different angles. It's pretty slick looking. Show you the back real quick. Alright, now let's go put it away. Alright, so did some rearranging. Put the FXXK with the LaFerrari and the Enzo. So this shelf used to be the LaFerrari, the P1, and the Wyra, but I decided to move them around. So up here we still have the Koenigsegg's and the Zonda. Down here is the Ferraris, well, the big Ferraris. Down here is, well, the gray cars, but also super rare cars. I moved the XJ220 down here with the Mi 412 and the W12 Nardo concepts. Down here is still the NSX and the C7. And then the Gallardo, let me just open this. the Gallardo, the blue Posey F12, and the 550 Barchetta are still in here. Up here is still the R8 Aventador and Carrera GT. And then, so yeah, that's the new one. And then over here, I moved the P1 and the Huayra with the F1, which used to be with the Enzo and the XJ220. My models are pretty dusty. I need to come in here and clean them, but as I said, I've been out of town. And then yeah, Centenario, LFA Nürburgring, Chiron. Then the American cars, Ford GT, Viper, and S7. So yeah, that is the collection now, with the addition of the FXXK. So yeah, what model do you think I should get next? Post a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching.